Question number 20. The difference between the outer and inner curved surface area of hollow right circular cylinder 14 cm long is 88 cm. It is the difference between outer and inner curved surface area 88 cm and the height of hollow right circular cylinder is 14 cm long. If the volume of metal used in making the cylinder is 176 cm cube, find the outer and inner diameter of right circular cylinder. Now let the outer and inner radius of cylinder is R1 and R2 respectively. Then given the difference between outer surface and inner curved surface, outer and inner curved surface is equal 88 centimeter. Then curved surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi RH, and if we want to find the outer curved surface area means 2 pi R1H minus inner curved surface area means 2 pi R2H equal 88. Now 2 pi R1 minus R2 H equal 88. Then value of H is given 14 centimeter long. We have 2 pi R1 minus R2 and the value of H is 14 equal 88. Put the value of pi 22 by 7 which is given into R1 minus R2 into 14 equal 88. 7 to the 14. Then R1 minus R2 equal 88 by 88 means 2 to the 4 44 88 and R1 minus R2 is equal 1. Now the volume of metal used in making the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube means volume of hollow cylinder is given 176 centimeter cube, and formula of volume of hollow cylinder or volume of metal used in making a hollow cylinder is given by pi R1 square minus R2 square H equal 176. Put the value of pi and H, we have 22 by 7 into R1 plus R2 R1 minus R2, formula of A square minus B square, and H is 14 equal 176. Then value of R1 plus R2 into R1 minus R2 is 1 equal 176 by 2 into 22 11 to the and R1 plus R2 equal 4. And R1 minus R2 equal 1. Now add these two equations to eliminate R2. We have 2R1 equal 5, means value of R1 is 5 by 2 equal 2.5. Put R1 equal 2.5 in first equation. We have R1 plus R2 equal 4, means 2.5 plus R2 equal 4. Then value of R2 is 4 minus 2.5, then R2 equal 1.5 centimeter, and it is inner radius, outer radius, and it is inner radius. Then outer diameter is given by 2 into outer radius, means 2 into 2.5, it is equal 5, and inner diameter equal 2 into R2, means 2 into 1.5 equal 3 centimeter, and it is answer.